Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some salmon stew. I have 2 cans of salmon, and I'm going to show you how to clean it and take the bones out of it, because when they put it in the can, they put the skin, the bones, everything in the can. And so I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we're going to make it into a stew, okay? Okay, so give it a thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe, check out the links below, because you may want to support this channel. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the pink salmon in the can that we're going to be using, okay? I already cleaned the salmon from this can, so I want to show you that. So you can see it's just meat. No bones, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to clean the next can. And while we're cleaning the next can, I'm going to turn the frying pan on. And we're going to let that get hot. I'm going to put some olive oil in there. And we're going to saute some onions, because we're making stewed salmon. Okay, so while that's heating up, you're going to dump, I opened the can and I poured the broth that was in the can off, okay? So now we're just going to dump this in the plate. And so you can see when you dump it in, here's the black skin, and right in the middle here is the bones, okay? So we're going to take the black skin off and the bones. So let me make sure you can see me. Well, why don't I put that there in the frying pan, and that solves that problem. And I'll push this back. Now I'm sure you can see. Okay. So right here is some black skin. I'm taking that off. And any bones. The bones are very small. Oh, I'll show you the next set of bones, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to take my hand and I'll go right down and take that skin off. It's almost like you're taking off a layer. Okay, now let's open it up. As soon as you open it up, you're going to see the bones. See the bones? That's what the bones look like. Okay? So you're going to take these bones out. Take it right out the middle. And any other bones that you see. Okay, and you turn it over so that you can be assured that you got it all. It's the same way that you do the salmon croquettes. You got to do it the same way when you use the salmon in the can. Okay, I have some bones over here. I can feel them. Try to take your hand and feel them. But sometimes you can't see them. But you can definitely feel them. Okay, I almost got them all out. Okay, I think I got them all out, but you know, you can always pick them out if you see them later, okay? If you bite into them, it's not the end of the world. They're very, very soft and small. Here's a bunch of little tiny ones. Okay. So now that we have it all out, you don't want to break it up like salmon, like you're going to make salmon croquettes. You want to leave it in chunks. It's just the way it is. Okay. Okay, so we're going to throw the bones and the skin away, okay? Alright, now we're going to use some black pepper. I put the pepper on the salmon and the onions. I'm going to use some sassoon, everything. And the onions as well. Okay, now I want to add some garlic. I have some garlic paste. I want to add the garlic paste. That's about a teaspoonful. So, you know, salmon only takes a few minutes to cook because it's fish. So that's why you want to cook your onions first. Why don't I give you the word of the day? Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is family. Family. Family can lift you up and family can bring you down. Family can make you feel very ashamed to be a part of, and family can make you very proud to be one of. Family can be there when you need a friend, and family can be nowhere around as you need them day to day. Family. You be the judge. They're yours. Okay, that's the word of the day. Family. What are they doing for you lately? Okay. Okay, so let's put our salmon in. Our onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to just put the salmon right in there. Do not stir it up because you don't want to break it up. You want it to sort of look like big pieces of fish. Okay, I'm putting more olive oil on the top. Okay. Now I'm going to put a top on that so that can cook slowly. I'm putting my stove on 4. Okay. Okay, that's going to lock that heat in there and have that to cook without me turning it or anything. I don't want to just move it at all. Okay, we're going to give that about 5 minutes, and I'll be, no, maybe 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes, and I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. Let's take a temperature. Remember, fish, you want it about 145. Yeah, we're there. We're at 147. Okay. Alright, so our fish is done. So that took roughly around 5 minutes. We cooked the onions for 2 minutes and the fish for 3 minutes. Okay, so that's done. So that's how easy it is to make a salmon stew. In the can, you didn't pay a lot of money. I believe the can was $3.99. Okay, if I'd have bought this much salmon as a whole fresh piece, it probably would have been around $19, $17, somewhere around there. Big difference from the two prices, right? Okay, let me plate that up for you. Thank you. I'm going to cut the fire off. Okay guys, look at that. Does that look good? You ready to eat that? Oh, salmon stew over yellow rice. We got 2 tomatoes on each side and a lemon. Okay? How about that? Let me show you what I did with the lemon. Okay. So it's just a slice of lemon. You cut it all the way up the middle, and then you just take and twist, and you lay it down on the dish like that, so that you get that look. Okay, a little show off point. Okay, so let me taste. Let you see me taste. Okay, look at that. So let's see. Got the stewed, the onions, the stewed salmon. Wow. I like the flavor. I like the fact that it tastes just like salmon, as if you bought it fresh. And I can taste the stewed onions. I love it. I like salmon anyway. Okay, you be the judge. Thumbs up, subscribe, check out the links below. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.